Business model: Plaza Vera, a Peruvian supermarket chain owned by Supermercados Peruanos, operates under a B2C grading model. It focuses on mass consumption by offering groceries, household items, clothing, electronics, and personal care products. It uses physical stores and online platforms via its app and web. Through years, customers combining low prices with convenience and customer-focused experience. The mission: to improve the quality of life of all consumers by offering a pleasant shopping experience with the best prices, quality, and service, and the vision to be the largest retail company in Peru with commitment for innovation, convenience, low control, and positive social impact. Now, SMART goal: objective, interest only set, specific, yes, measurable, 25 increase, achievable, yes, relevant, yes, time frame with 12 months, open new stores in the province, yes, 10 new stores, achievable, yes, relevant, yes, time frame, be improve customer satisfaction, yes, score of yes, relevant, yes, time frame, be and of objective, reduce carbon footprint, specific, yes, measure, discrete, achievable, yes, relevant, yes, time both win 18 months. Market research: direct competitors, total groceries, electronics, supermarket, metro, urban focuses, supermarket, indirect competitors, local markets, fresh produce.